Let me show you how to create this type of underground species exploration AI video getting millions of views in less than 5 minutes. And the best part? I'll be using completely free AI tools. So the very first thing you need is this delightful, magical, ready-made master prompt I created specifically for this type of video. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT without changing a single word. Now watch what happens. ChatGPT begins with step 0, where it gives you 10 different underground species you can explore. And at the end, it gives you a clear instruction. Select one species for mounted camera exploration. At this point, you can either type the number of the species you want from the list or enter a completely different one you have in mind. Just, please don't type cow or dog. We are going underground here. For this example, I'll go with option 9 and send it. Now you have a series of prompts. The first output is an image prompt. After that, a series of video prompts, all structured step by step, giving you 6 video prompts and 1 image prompt at the beginning. Once you have that ready, open a new tab and search for Grok AI. Click on the main link and sign in with your Google account if you're new. After logging in, navigate to the Imagine option. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first and only image prompt. Inside Grok, make sure the correct aspect ratio is selected and that it's set to generate an image. Paste your prompt and generate. Within seconds, you'll have multiple image results to choose from. Pick the one that looks the most realistic for you. As soon as you select it, you'll notice it automatically loads into the prompt workspace. Now click this icon and select the Make Video option. A blank prompt box appears. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt that follows the image prompt. Paste it into Grok and generate. The result looks great, but wait. A normal spider hole doesn't have electricity, right? Exactly. So if something looks unrealistic, don't panic, just regenerate. And there we go, this one looks much more natural. Now here's the powerful part. Don't download anything yet. Pause the video and drag the timeline to the end and click on Extend from Frame. The final frame will automatically be selected as your new starting point. Now return to ChatGPT and copy the next video prompt. Paste it into Grok and generate again. Just like that, your video extends smoothly. Again, pause at the final frame, drag to the end, click Extend from Frame. As you can see, the clip is now 12 seconds. By adding the next prompt, you're seamlessly increasing the duration by another 6 seconds. No jump cuts, no awkward transitions, just a continuous cinematic progression. Copy the next prompt, paste, generate. Repeat this process again, and again, and again, until you reach your 30 seconds mark. And here's the beauty of it. Once you hit that limit, download the entire extended sequence in a click as one complete video. No need for additional editing, no stitching clips together. It's already done. However, if you're using a phone, the process is almost identical. The only difference is that you won't see the Extend from Frame option. In that case, you'll need to download each clip individually, manually extract the end frames, and finally combine everything inside CapCut. Either way, the result is the same. A cinematic underground exploration video created in minutes, using completely free AI tools. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers this month, and every single one of you makes a difference.